In this video, I'll be discussing 12 side hustles Nigerians are currently using to make money fast in 2026. Some of these side hustles can start paying you this week. So grab your pen. Now, let us get to the business of the day. And I want to start with social media management. Many small businesses in Nigeria have Instagram and Facebook handles, but most of them don't post consistently or they don't even know how to engage customers. And that is where you come in. You can help them create videos and articles that they can post on their social media handles. To identify businesses you can actually offer this service to, just walk around your neighborhood. Look out for salons, boutiques, restaurants, and small stores. Check their Instagram and Facebook handle. Check if they are active at all. Check the quality of content they post and pitch to them how you can actually make their handles more active and engaging. You will need to build a portfolio with 3 to 5 sample posts that you can show to them. You can use Canva to design your post for free because Canva has a robust free package. Then offer a 1-week free trial to demonstrate the value you are bringing. After this, you'll be able to charge a monthly fee of around 50,000 naira to 150,000 naira, depending on the volume of work you'll be doing for them. I have a distant relative who is still in school, but he started managing social media handles for about 4 local businesses around him. After 1 month, he earned about 120,000 naira. He started with zero experience actually. He learned Canva by himself and started pitching what he can do to small businesses around him. And the truth is that once you get your first client, you begin to attract more and more clients. Next, let's talk about buying and selling products online. Buying and selling products is one of the fastest way to start making money in Nigeria. People love convenience. They like to buy things at their convenience, delivered to their house. So if you have what they want and you can make money fast, but don't just rush to start stalking what your neighbor or colleague is already selling. Rather, check WhatsApp groups, Instagram, Jumia, Konga, or any other marketplace. Check for what people are requesting, and there seems to be no one selling, or the seller is unable to meet demands, or there are not enough sellers compared to the demand. Also observe what sells out quickly, then go ahead to buy small quantity first to test the demand. You may also look for wholesalers who can give you these products and allow you pay after you have received payment from your customers. Post your items on WhatsApp, Story, your Instagram, your Facebook, Telegram. Basically, just post it on your social media handles and then take nice photos and videos and write engaging captions as well. Next, let's talk about another side also that requires a bit of skills and knowledge, and that is tutoring and online classes. It is common to find parents pay for extra help for their children, especially in mathematics, English, sciences, and computer skills. So this is a viable side also for you if you have deep knowledge of these subjects, especially at primary and secondary school level. To get an opportunity for tutoring and online classes, check your estate WhatsApp groups. You can also design a flyer and post it on your estate WhatsApp group. Also, check local schools and churches if their students need lessons. You can actually charge between 2,000 naira to 3,000 naira per hour and teach as many students as possible. This takes me to the next side also, which is also teaching in some form. This time, you will not be teaching a few students, you will be teaching the whole world. Because if you can already teach few students, why not just teach the whole world? And that is where content creation comes in, which is what I am doing right now. Content creation is booming globally, and Nigerians love relatable and informative videos. The key is to find a knowledge gap that people are already interested in and try to fill that knowledge gap. Research trending videos and study what people comment on and request more of. This will help you get enough engagement on your content and help you monetize and make money fast. To succeed as a content creator, you need to pick a niche. A niche is an area where you want to focus on and be known for. So it can be finance tips, career hacks, lifestyle, and comedy. The next thing is to ensure that you make relatable and engaging videos consistently and engage with your viewers as well. Next is delivery and errand services. Delivery is in high demand. Restaurants, online shops, and even your neighbors need reliable delivery service. I'm not advising you to buy delivery bikes and buses like many other people teach, but if you have the funds and you have done a proper business and market research, then you can go all in. But for the majority, I would advise that you register with a delivery app like Bolt and GoCada, or offer private errand services. Check your neighborhood for stores and businesses who do not currently offer delivery services. Help them deliver to their customers and get paid directly by the customers for each delivery that you make. Now, let's look at the side hustles that don't even require physical products. And the first one I'll be talking about is digital products. Selling digital products is amazing because there is no physical inventory. Digital products are goods that exist in a digital or electronic format. This includes ebooks, online courses, templates, music videos, digital art, software, video games, and many others. They are typically delivered to customers via download, email, or gated access to an online platform. So identify which digital products you can produce. Look for trending digital products that people actually buy around you. Create one and promote them on social media or other messaging apps. You can also sell online on sites like Seller, where digital products are usually put up for sale. This one works well as I have personally sold a template on Seller in the past, and it moved fast. It sold very fast. Next is graphic design. Many businesses in Nigeria need professional logos, flyers, and social media graphics. If you can design very well, then you can make good money from this idle zone. Just check local businesses around you, like salons, boutiques, and restaurants. The next side also to make money is affiliate marketing. This entails promoting products and services of other companies using a unique referral link or code that will be provided to you by the company you are marketing for. You will earn a commission for each sale that you make through your link or code. So when customers buy with your link or your code, you will be making money, that you'll be making your referral bonus. To take advantage of this, you need to look for trending products people are buying. Join the affiliate program on the platform it's been sold, and then share the links on social media platforms like WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Telegram. When people buy the product using your link, the link that you have shared, you'll be paid a referral commission for every sale that you make. This takes me to the next side also, which is freelance writing and copywriting. This is a high demand skill in Nigeria. Businesses, blogs, and social media managers need content from articles to ads. So they need people who can write compelling articles and ads that makes their products and services stand out. Next is event photography and videography. These are perfect side hustles if you are someone who enjoys capturing moments. Every week, people actually hire photographers to cover their weddings, birthdays, and business events. You can start by covering events for your friends and families. You can also approach events organizers, churches, or local businesses around you to market your side hustle. This takes me to the next side hustle, which is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a way of selling products online without holding any stock. Dropshipping lets you sell online without actually buying any inventory. The inventory is owned by the supplier. The supplier handles the storage, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. So every time you sell a product, the customer pays you directly for the products they are buying, and then they pay with a markup. And then you in turn pay the supplier for the product, and then the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the markup to yourself. So the markup is your own profit, right? To get started, you will need to look for items in high demand, items like mobile phone, household items, small electronics, or fashion items. You can post pictures and videos of these products on your WhatsApp story or Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. And then, of course, you look for a reliable supplier who will supply the products and deliver to your customers. This takes me to another skill that is in high demand, and that is cooking. If you love cooking, you'll be able to sell homemade food, meals, pastries, and snacks, and you can earn consistent income. Nigerians actually love tasty and affordable food delivered at their doorsteps and offices, especially for breakfast and lunch. This will work well in cities like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, where many people are busy and they have little or no time to make food by themselves. So if you find yourself in these cities, ask your neighbors, your office colleagues, or your friends what type of food they love to eat, but they cannot find easily around them, whether it is in the neighborhood or in their office area. That is the market intelligence that you need. We have covered the 12 side hustles Nigerians are using to make money fast in 2026. Now, let me know in the comments which of these side hustles you will most likely do. And if you are currently doing any of them, let us know what your experience has been so far. If you found this video useful, please like the video so that YouTube algorithm will recommend it to other people who need to watch it as well. Also, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you will never miss any of my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.